Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to do an introduction to interrogative sentences, okay? How we can convert a simple sentence into an interrogative sentence. Let's do it. First, I am a boy. Am I a boy? You are a girl. Are you a girl? We are players. Are we players? They are drivers. Are they drivers? He is a teacher. Is he a teacher? She is a doctor. Is she a doctor? Now something from past. I was a businessman. Was I a businessman? You were a mechanic. Were you a mechanic? We were students. Were we students? They were servants. Were they servants? He was a lawyer. Was he a lawyer? She was a judge. Was she a judge? Now come to those sentences for which we usually commit mistakes. These sentences are: I have a book. Have I a book? No. Here we will use do I have a book? Yes. You have a pen. Do you have a pen? We have bags. Do we have bags? They have houses. Do they have houses? He has a bottle. Do he have a bottle? No, this is wrong. Does he has a bottle? No, this is also wrong. Does he have a bottle? Yes, this is right. She has a jug. Does she have a jug? I had a chair. Do I had a chair? No, this is wrong. Okay. Did I had a chair? No, this doesn't sound good. Okay, one last one. Did I have a chair? Yes. Did I have a chair? You had a table. Did you have a table? We had money. Did we have money? They had pets. Did they have pets? He had water. Did he have water? She had meal. Did she have meal? Okay students, I think this video will be helpful for you. Kindly like and share this video and also subscribe my channel Param TV. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. ਇਹ ਦੋ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਹੋਰ ਸਿਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ। ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਣਗੀਆਂ। ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਹੈ ਪਲੇਲਿਸਟ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਅਟੈਚ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ। ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ।